Good Wednesday morning, Northeast Ohio. I'm 3 News meteorologist Payton Domschke. Today, just like yesterday, it's not going to be a bad day. You can get the holiday decorations finished all together, grocery shopping, do those tasks you need to do, especially if they are outdoors or involve the outdoors in any capacity. Highs in the upper 30s, near normal for this time of the year, and some sunshine also involved in the day. We'll see cloud cover increasing as we head through this evening, and it'll really be with us tomorrow. Temperatures start in the 30s, and we actually make it into the low 40s. The concern with tomorrow isn't so much anything that's going to happen early in the day or even through the middle of the day. It's rain chances increasing through the second half, pinpointing maybe that commute home if you're still working come tomorrow. And then what happens late in the day? We start to see the arrival of a cold front that'll be knocking on our doorstep, and that's why the National Weather Service has gone ahead and put us under a winter storm watch. This goes into effect tomorrow evening, takes us all the way through part of the holiday weekend. Some of you, this goes through Saturday evening. The other half of you, potentially through Sunday morning, and that's because with this system, we will see lake-enhanced snow as well. So I think by Sunday morning, the snowbelt region will still be included in some sort of alert, and not everyone though. And as of right now, Tuscarawas and Carroll County both not included. I would expect at some point either today or early tomorrow morning, they will be added to some sort of alert, because check out how just vast they are across the U.S. right now. This is going to be a national story for the days to come. We have wind chill warnings across the Central Plains states up to the northern tier of the U.S., even all the way down to the Lone Star State. They are expecting feels like conditions in the single digits. For us, even colder than that. A winter storm watch across parts of the Midwest, and this will also transition into a warning as the days get closer to this actual event taking place. The National Weather Service has to fine-tune their criteria and when they turn these out, so they will be coming, don't you worry. And the system will be coming too. It doesn't look like much right now, but this area of low pressure is just starting to energize itself. It's gaining some momentum, and it will do so by moving a little bit farther to the east. We've got Siberian air also in tandem with this entire system, so things are going to get a whole lot colder. When does it start? Well, I've zoomed you ahead. This is Thursday midday. We're locked in by cloud cover tomorrow, and then we see an isolated rain chance maybe early in the day, midday too. But you can still get things done. You don't have to worry too much about your Thursday. It's really late tomorrow night into Friday morning. That is troubling for us. Temperatures, though, are going to change in an instant, and it doesn't happen through our Thursday. We're actually in the low 40s, and that's why you're seeing green on your screen. That is rain blanketing the area. This will happen around that evening commute if you're still working tomorrow, as I mentioned. And then this cold front comes barreling in just over my shoulder at about midnight. Things could speed up with this development as we're now getting more of these higher res models, bringing in up-to-date information into us a little bit quicker with all of this. And then we'll be able to work out maybe even snow totals, but snow is at the bottom threshold of any of these alerts that are in place. I've now tossed on temperatures for you. The one in white is what it will actually be outside temperature-wise. The pink number is what it will feel to you outside. So we'll start with the rain, and that's going to be an issue. You can already see the division here between rain and snow, and then that line in between, maybe a little mixing happening, but it's the current concern with our temperatures and where they go so fast. We will have a flash freeze happening in a moment's notice. Temperatures still on the west side. 3 a.m. close to 40 degrees. Those on the east side and a little bit farther to the south near Worcester, Mansfield, they have dropped into the 20s, feeling like the teens, if not the single digits. This continues west to east across the entire area. This is now 7 a.m. on your Friday morning. Single digits, teen temperatures, feeling even colder like the single digits or sub-freezing, feeling potentially like negative 21 degrees in Mansfield by 7 a.m. on your Friday morning. This evolving system sticks with us all the way through the weekend. We will see that flash freeze on Friday morning, and then we transition to snow. Once again, snow is not the huge weather maker here, but it will definitely be something to worry about when it comes to just how higher winds could be. Gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour at times, drifting and blowing snow, reduced visibility on the roadways. A whole lot to pack into one forecast for you, but in your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, no worries today. No huge worries tomorrow either. That winter storm watch goes up tomorrow evening. Temperatures come plummeting Friday early in the day, and we are locked in by bone-chilling air for your Saturday and your Sunday. Our high on Saturday for Christmas Eve, 10 degrees. Our high on Sunday with maybe a little bit of sunshine as the system works out, 12 degrees. Prepare yourself now. Prepare. We're not trying to scare. We'll have all those updates online and on air for you as we get closer to the system and the holiday weekend.